I don't. Now I wonder why the X3 takes a while to come on. Something that people may not love, that you have a couple of seconds to get your selfie stick out there. And I see a enable thing there. I'm not going to bother to look, but this is my first video and the sun is over there. And you're watching me. I know I could set this up to different modes and everything. And what I want to do is just basically, you know, do a test video. I want to be careful of everything around me. I'm walking upstairs and whatnot. I'm holding the camera like they're supposed to, doing a good job, and it's a windy day. And I want to go up on the roof. You can see me down here. I know I got to do framing and whatnot. So I'm going to go climb up the ladder. As you can see, I'm already up the stairs with the ladder on the roof, but I'm yet still going up the ladder. So the wind is kicking. I got to talk a little louder.